Hey, it's Coach Kevin here. Hope you're having an awesome March of 2021. Wanted to prompt you with two things today. First of all, in the newsletter this week, we're talking about, are you really listening? Like, are you really hearing and soaking up what's being said and taking it on board in a way where, one, you get it, and then two, you stay engaged in the conversation and don't do something what we call is lock on, lock out. Someone says something, you go, oh, you get an idea, and then your brain is excited about re-engaging and sharing something, but your ears are closed and your mouth is ready to fire. You're just waiting for an opportunity to jump in. You're no longer listening. So one, it's a challenge because you stop taking on board information and hearing. Secondly, the other person's like, hey man, what's up? The other person feels horrible because they can tell that your ears are closed and your mouth is ready to open, called lock on, lock out. You lock on to something someone said and you lock out of the conversation. And it's a bad habit that many of us have. I confess, I sometimes have a challenge with that. So read about lock on, lock out. Number two, it's the end of quarter one of this year 2021, and it's time to reflect on how you're doing. And you probably have a process with your company doing that. But for yourself, make sure you click on the link to get to the master plan tool that we use for goal setting. Remember, for work, for yourself and life, yourself being the thing that holds it all together and the thing that needs the most help, particularly now. But go back and do the quarterly review. There's a 1 page of questions on each of those three things, work, self, and life, to reflect, how is this quarter going? And then, hey, let's make the next quarter better. Reset your goals of what matters most for the next quarter. Again, it's logical. I know we do it in work, but I'm encouraging you. Take an hour for yourself. Do it with your partner. Do it with your family. And think back about these first 3 months and think about what you want to make happen in the next 3 months. So there you have it. It's great to see lots of progress in the world and good things happening. I hope things are going well. And please practice your full-on listening without getting triggered and stopping and closing your ears, even though you're pretending that you're not. And set better goals for next quarter based on your learnings and accomplishments from the past quarter. All the best. Have a great one.